Which is better? Calisthenics or gym? Bodyweight training or lifting weights? People argue about this every day. One guy says, gym builds more muscle. Other guy says, calisthenics gives real strength. So, who is right? Today, I will show you the real answer. Not internet fighting. Real truth. The big problem. Most people choose wrong. Not because one method is bad, but because they don't understand their goal. Some people want big muscles. Some want athletic body. Some want strength without gym. Different goals need different training. So before choosing, you must understand both. What is calisthenics? Calisthenics means training with body weight. Push-ups, pull-ups, dips, squats, planks. No machines. No heavy gym equipment. Just your body. Benefits of calisthenics. Improves body control. Builds athletic strength. Better balance. Strong core. Can do anywhere. Cheap or free. And honestly, calisthenics bodies look very aesthetic. Lean. Sharp. Athletic. Problems with calisthenics. Hard for beginners. Pull-ups are difficult. And building huge muscles becomes slower later. Because adding resistance is harder. What is gym training? Gym training means using weights and machines. Dumbbells. Barbells. Cable machines. This helps increase resistance easily. Benefits of gym. Faster muscle growth. Easier progressive overload. Easier for beginners. Better for bodybuilding. More exercise options. If your goal is big chest, big arms, massive legs, gym is usually faster. Problems with gym. Some people become strong on machines, but weak in body control. Also, gym costs money, and some people depend too much on machines. Which builds more strength? This depends. Gym builds raw strength, heavy lifting strength. Calisthenics builds relative strength, meaning strength compared to your body weight. Example, a calisthenics athlete may do muscle-ups, handstands, human flags. That requires crazy body control. Which builds more muscle? For pure muscle size, gym usually wins. Because you can add more weight easily, progress faster, target muscles better. That is why bodybuilders use gym. Which is better for fat loss? Truth. Both work. Fat loss depends more on diet, not training style. But both burn calories. Both build muscle. Both improve fitness. Best option, real answer. Here is the truth most people ignore. You don't need to choose only one. Best option. Combine both. Use gym for heavy strength and muscle. Use calisthenics for athletic movement and body control. That combination is powerful. Who should choose what? Choose calisthenics if no gym access. Want athletic body. Want body control. Like training anywhere. Choose gym if want maximum muscle. Want faster size growth. Want easier progression. There is no bad training style. Bad training is doing nothing. Calisthenics works. Gym works. Consistency wins. That is the real answer. Comment below. Team Calisthenics or Team Gym. And if you want the best beginner workout, watch the next video. Link in description below. Fire.